let's get straight into it. This is part of the strategic implementation course, and obviously I'm doing a portion of it called strategic performance management. I think another name, another possible lens to view this course through is non-financial performance measurement. So, like what you were doing with probably Professor John Ford in management accounting. I'm not sure who did that, or in corporate finance, but the opposite, if that makes sense. Okay, so all of the other factors that you consider, if you talk about the balance scorecard, it tries to understand what underlies the finances. So if you remember, our financial performance is at the top of the balance scorecard, and customer satisfaction, business processes, and things like learning, development, innovation, being at the base of the balance scorecard. But we'll get into that as we carry on with this course. So the plan is obviously this introduction that I'm busy with, and there's a theoretical piece, just to this is an academic course, and important that we spend a little time on the theory, understanding the basis, but then look at the practice, what actually happens in the real world in performance management. That'll be the focus of lesson B. And then in lesson C, we look at the simulation that you did and examine some of the learnings there. And then lesson D, we look at some practical examples, ask you to do some exercises. Shouldn't be too, course is meant to be easily understood and applicable in beyond business, but in your everyday life. And I hope to bring up some of those points. COVID being the topic of the day pops its head up every now and then, so you'll see it in a few of my slides. For a lot of people who are probably just experiencing this entire thing, for me it's kind of like my life, so I'm the head of health for one of the mining majors, and you can imagine that places me at the center of a lot that goes on with it. And in fact, doing this is a bit of a break for me from that, while it's always a constant presence for all of us.